Mom, I'm going on an adventure.
I understand. Be safe, my brave one.
Mom, I'm going on an adventure.
The world is dangerous, but I know I can't stop you. I will go with you.
No adventure starts without me.
Come back alive.
We're not alone.
Stand together. You are not a mistake. You are the bridge between worlds.
If we walk together, no path is impossible.